Here's how to restore the color on your convertible top using a top gel product. Wash and thoroughly clean your convertible top. I like to use the OEM shampoo to make sure it's clean. We're going to be spraying waterproofing and applying gel. To make sure it doesn't go where it's not supposed to, mask off the Boxster. Apply 1 or 2 coats of the gel using the foam applicator.
Dispense a small amount, just a sponge. Apply evenly and consistently to entire surface and allow 15 minutes to dry. Do not apply in direct sunlight.
Let the gel dry between coats and let it dry afterwards.
Here's what it looks like dry. There are a few wet spots where I think I over applied it, so I'm going to see how it dries. And here's how it looks from the front.
After the gel is applied, apply OEM waterproofing to seal in the color and keep water out.
And the results. So does it look immaculate? No. There are still some creases and bends and discolorations present from using the soft top as a soft top, as you can see, it's visible in the sunlight. Am I happy with the improvement brought upon by coloring the top? Am I happy with that result? Yes, substantial improvement, and the camera's even picking up imperfections more. Here's the overall view again. Pretty solid improvement.